Don't let the fake news fool you. Hi everyone, I am proud to present our thesis system, Credibility Scan. In today's fast-paced digital world, distinguishing fact from fabrication is harder than ever. That is why we built a comprehensive verification tool to help the users navigate the web safely. Before we jump into the live demo, let's look at how the system acts as your digital detective. Our backend is powered by a robust AI architecture. For text, we use the readers powered by XLM Roberta to instantly understand the contextual feeling of a story. We pair this with the Accuracy Booster, an XGBoost classifier that rigorously flags deceptive patterns. For visual media, we built the Face Checker utilizing YOLO V8 to spot faces and MobileNet V2 to hunt for pixel-level deepfake anomalies. We also included the Analyst to map political bias, the Highlighter to show you exactly which sentences are suspicious, and finally, the Librarian, which cross-references claims against trusted Philippine news sources. Let me show you how these tools come together. Step 1. Capture. Let's say we come across a highly suspicious news article online, like this. I will go ahead and copy the text of this article right here, and then step 2. Submit. We navigate to our detector tab, and now I will just paste this entire article right into our news content box, and we are ready to go. Step 3. Analyze. When I click Analyze, our readers and accuracy boosters immediately scan the text. Simultaneously, the librarian extracts the core claim and runs a Google custom search to see if reputable news outlets are actually reporting this story. Step 4. The verdict. If the AI detects deceptive language and cannot find any credible sources backing it up, it flags the article as most likely fake. If the article sounds factual but lacks external verification, we label it as uncertain. This transparent approach empowers you to make your own informed judgments. Let's try another example of text analysis and let's see if it's real. But what about the viral deepfake videos? We also have solutions about that. Step 1. Copy the link. I have a suspicious YouTube video loaded up right here. So I will just copy this URL. Step 2. Switch tabs. We click over to the video link section and I will paste that link into the system. Step 3. Deepfake scan. We use a strict hierarchy of rules here. First, a metadata analysis checks if a trusted fact checker has already proven the video is false. If so, it gets a red debunk label. If the background check is clear, our face checker steps in to scan the video frame by frame. And then last step, step 4, the reveal. If the system finds strong visual evidence of AI manipulation, it gives a likely deepfake verdict. We even show you exactly where the anomalies were detected on the forensic timeline. Here is another example of video analysis.
Sorry, si Cavite Congressman Kiko Miao Miao Barsaga sa negosyanteng si Enrique Razon Jr.
Finally, Credibility Scan is about education. Our user guide tab features built-in tutorials so anyone can master these tools. We don't just want to hand you the answers. We want to empower you to become your own fact checker. From the newsroom to your feed, stay smart with Credibility Scan. Thank you for your time.